What would happen if your subscribers just upload every single day?
Motivated by your favorite YouTube celebrity, you upload a new YouTube channel and then uploaded a video on it.
Normally, it takes people months to grow on YouTube, but for you the case is entirely different. Your subscribers just happen to double every day.
On day 1, you got 1 subscriber. On day 2, you got 2 subscribers. On 3rd day, you reached 4, and on day 5, the subscriber count increased to
16.
Well, you quite understand the power of doubling. If things go on the same, at the end of the month, you will have almost 1.1 billion subscribers.
Well, a month's too early, right? What about a year?
After a year, you will be able to give your friends, relatives and those around you a grand party. Congratulations, you have reached the milestone of. Unfortunately, we don't have any specific name for this number.
Now a more deeper look. What about the video you uploaded? It got you so much fame and you didn't even check its views yet? You are a bad person, man.
If we assume you got 1 subscriber for every 1000 views, so that means your video has right now a total of 1000 multiplied by the total number of subscribers. That is, just add 3 to the power of 10. Well, there is a secondary question that you will need sulfuric acid to digest that.
What do you think? This is all? Actually not. I don't think that you'll be happy to have just one video uploaded on your channel. Till now we calculated the magic shown by one video. But I know that you are that kind of person who will upload one video every day.
Cool, but who's going to calculate the growth shown by each of your 365 videos while keeping in mind that each new video gets 1 day lesser to grow than the previous one? Well, if 1 year is your deadline, after all in just a year you will become the richest person in the entire solar system.
Now, don't keep watching these air-built castles. They have a ton of contradictions we didn't even talk about.
What impact will it have on your life? How much money will you be able to make, and will YouTube even allow you to continue? And most importantly, will you be able to own such a huge empire in real life? If yes, then how? But that will be a mystery left to be solved in the another video.